Good morning, students. This is Murlidhar, lecturer in chemistry. Welcome to our chemistry class. In alkanes, we completed how to write the structure of alkanes. Particularly, we wrote expansion, condensed, and bond line structure. From methane to decane, we have studied. Particularly, in basic chemistry of alkanes, we have concept of alkyl groups. In order to understand the alkyl concept, first of all, we will learn types of carbon atoms in alkane compounds. That is very essential. That means, as in a position, you can identify which is primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom. Then we can easily understand the concept of alkyl groups in broad way, because alkyl concept is somewhat typical and very interesting. So we will discuss later clearly. But what alkyl, how we derived alkyl groups means by replacing hydrogen atom from alkanes, we are getting alkyl groups. That means alkyl groups are the deficiency of one hydrogen atom in alkanes. That is the simplest definition. Simplest definition. See, for example, here alkane formula R bond is RCnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, and also R bond H. Just there is a deficiency of one hydrogen atom. That means here one hydrogen is eliminated from alkane system. By that we are getting CnH2n plus 1 bond group. Here R bond. So the resultant groups are called alkyl groups, which are represented with R bond. So it is very easy concept. So for example, let us you take methane. Just you can replace one hydrogen atom. You are getting what? Methyl group, CH3 bond. For example, let us you take ethane, CH3 bond CH3. So there is a deficiency of one hydrogen atom in ethane. You are getting what? Ethyl group. That is CH3 CH2 bond. That means propane, resulting propyl group by replacing one hydrogen atom. For example, butane, you are getting butyl. Pentane, less by one hydrogen atom, we are getting pentyl. Like that, we have different alkyls: hexyl, heptyl, octyl, nonyl. Okay, but this is not so simple concept. Alkyl concept is not so simple. We will discuss later. In order to understand alkyl concept in depth, first we learn types of carbons present in alkane compounds. See here, there are four types of carbon atoms in alkane compounds: primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom, and quaternary carbon atom. Primary carbon atom represented with 1 0, secondary represented with 2 0, tertiary 3 0, quaternary carbon atom means 4 0. So here we can understand the what is primary carbon atom, what is secondary, what is tertiary, how can you identify the particular carbon is belongs to primary carbon, secondary carbon, all those things I will explain now. So we will see one by one what is the definition of primary carbon atom, how can you recognize, how can you pick up different alkane compounds. Okay, that we are going to learn. See, you write down. Today our topic is types of carbon atoms in alkanes. Types of carbon atoms in alkane compounds. In alkane compounds. In alkane compounds. Students, there are four types of carbon atoms. There are four types of carbon atoms. Here, the first one is primary carbon atom. It is represented with 1 0. Primary carbon atom. It is represented with 1 0. How can you define and how can you identify the particular carbon is primary carbon atom means carbon, the carbon which is or which contains four hydrogen atoms, or whereas three hydrogen atoms, around it is called primary carbon atom. Is called primary carbon. Please you write down. It's so simple to understand. See, for example, I give you CH4. Here, carbon contains four hydrogen atoms. Around it. That's why it is 1 0 carbon. For example, I write another molecule RCH3. Here R is equal to H or alkyl. Sometimes R is equal to you can take H also. Depending upon situation, you can take H. But strictly speaking, R is the alkyl group. Our further topic is alkyl group. To understand alkyl, I explained this topic. So here this carbon contains four hydrogens. That's why referred as primary carbon atom. Here this carbon contains three hydrogen atoms. So if it contains three hydrogen atoms or four hydrogen atoms, known as primary carbon. Okay, I will clear this. See, then second type of carbon, secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon represented with 2 0. Secondary carbon. Here definition, understanding of secondary carbon is very easy. See, the carbon which is or which contains two hydrogen atoms. Two hydrogen atoms. Or in other words, two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups around it is called secondary carbon atom. Is called secondary carbon. See, here I write example. The general formula I am writing compound like this: RCH2R. Here condition is R is not equal to H. R is equal to strictly alkyl. Strictly alkyl, maybe methyl ethyl. Okay. Here, particularly this carbon contains two hydrogens around it, or two alkyl groups. You have to express the definition with respect of hydrogen atoms or with respect of alkyl groups. But very easy to remember with respect of hydrogens. So around 4 hydrogens or 3 hydrogen, then that carbon is referred as primary carbon. And if carbon contains 2 hydrogen atoms, then that is referred as secondary carbon. Okay. Then third type of carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom. Third one, tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon atom. Separated with 3 zero. Students, while studying organic chemistry, you must and should have the concept of alkanes, followed by types of carbon atoms in alkanes, and alkyl concept. These are the very important fundamental concepts to study organic chemistry very easily. Or what I mean to say, then only you get the perfection in organic chemistry. Okay. Then come to tertiary carbon. Simply you remember tertiary carbon means carbon having only one hydrogen atom around it. Here the carbon contains only one hydrogen. Only one hydrogen atom around it. That's all. It is called what? Tertiary carbon. So I give you example. See, R, CH, R, R. That means this carbon, particularly this carbon, contains only one hydrogen. That's why this is called what? Tertiary carbon, 3 zero carbon. Okay. Then lastly, quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon. I give you some time. Please copy down quickly. Write down. Fourth type, quaternary carbon atom. Quaternary carbon atom. Different with 4 zero. Different with 4 zero. See, quaternary carbon means carbon which doesn't have hydrogen atoms. Quaternary carbon means the carbon does not have hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is referred as quaternary carbon atom. Students, you remember this. Here in tertiary, here R is not equal to hydrogen, R is equal to alkyl. Always you take R is equal to alkyl groups. R is equal to strictly alkyl group. But in some conditions, sometimes you may take, in place of R, you may take H. But in sometimes, not all. Very few conditions you may take hydrogen. But every time R is equal to alkyl. That thing you remember. Okay. See, I write here R bond C R R R. Here this carbon does not have any hydrogen. That's why it is quaternary carbon. Here R is equal to strictly alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. R never be hydrogen. R is not equal to H. If R is equal to H, what happens? Carbon contains one hydrogen. Then it becomes, whatever it becomes, tertiary. That's why I'm strictly mentioned here R is not equal to H, R is equal to R. But in only in the first case, primary carbon atom, CH4 or CH3, in that case only, in place of R, you have to take hydrogen and alkyl groups. That is only the first case, not in other cases. Everywhere R is equal to alkyl. These are the types of carbons in alkane compounds. Primary carbon. So far, we are discussing primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, quaternary carbon. So, as in a position, you should find types of carbon atom in any alkane compounds. Let us, we will do exercise. I give you 3 or 4 compounds to pick up, to identify carbon atoms. Then we will get definitely by that exercise, definitely you got the perfection. Okay, please you copy down primary, secondary, tertiary, whatever. Now we will do the exercise concerned to this topic. See exercise. Exercise. Question will be like this: pick up or identify. Pick up or identify whatever. Pick up or identify types of carbons, types of carbon atoms in following compounds. In following compounds. In following compounds. Question will be like this. Okay. See, I give you a CH3CH. B CH3 CH2 CH. C CH3 CH CH3 CH3. Okay, here I give you 3 examples. Okay, and D molecule, this will be like this: CH3C CH3 CH3 CH. Then E CH3 CH CH3 C CH3 CH3 CH. All these are alkane compounds. See, one thing you remember, here methyl carbon. Around carbon, how many bonds? 4. Here 1, 2, 3 plus hydrogen 4. Around carbon, always you remember number of bonds plus hydrogens are 4 because carbon is a tetravalent. That thing you remember, keep in your mind every time. Okay. In the same way, I give you beautiful example to identify all alkanes, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Example: CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH. Actually, is a significant specialty compound. Actually, it is isooctane. Common name of this compound is isooctane, which is used as a fuel in aeroplane. Is a petrol fuel in aeroplane. Isooctane. Isooctane number 100 used as fuel in aeroplane because it is highly volatile liquid solution and highly inflammable. Highly inflammable. Of course, here why should I give you isooctane means in this we have all types of alkanes. So come from first onwards. See, this is a ethane. All of you can know. This is nothing but how many carbon, how many hydrogen atoms this carbon having? 3 hydrogen. So it is called prime. Here 3. So prime. 3 hydrogen or 4 hydrogen. Around carbon, 3 hydrogens or 4 hydrogens. If it contains 3 or 4 hydrogens, then that is represented with primary, nothing but primary carbon. Here CH3 primary, CH2 means secondary. Okay, CH3 primary. Here CH tertiary. One hydrogen carbon contains one hydrogen atom, that is tertiary. Come to this one, CH3, 3 hydrogens, primary carbon atom, primary carbon atom, primary carbon atom, primary carbon atom. Here this is quaternary, no hydrogens. Around this carbon, all are alkynes, no hydrogen atom. Carbon without hydrogen, called as quaternary carbon. I said just now. Okay. Then what is this CH3? Primary carbon, CH3 primary, CH, tertiary. Only one hydrogen is there, tertiary. No hydrogens, water. Okay, come to this molecule. By this, we can understand all the carbon atoms. C primary, 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 primary carbons. Here, this is secondary carbon because contains two hydrogen atoms. This is tertiary. Only one hydrogen is there. No hydrogen. This is water. In this isooctane molecule, how many primary carbon atoms are there? Primary carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 primary carbon atoms. Primary carbon atoms are 5. Okay. How many secondary carbon atoms? 20 carbon atoms. Secondary only 1. How many tertiary carbon atoms? Only 1. How many quaternary? Only 1. Okay. So this is the important compound. It may chance to get the this bit may come in entrances. So keep remember all those things. With this we completed concept of types of carbons in alkanes. When we have this idea, we will be able to understand alkyl concept thoroughly. That we will discuss later. Stop here. The remaining part we continue in the next class. Thank you, one and all.